Heavy-duty plastic dust cover sheet. Reliable protection for industry and daily use. Built for tough environments, shields from dust, debris, and wear. Waterproof design resists moisture and prevents leaks. A 12 by 16 foot size covers more area efficiently, saving time. Perfect for construction, renovation, packaging, and storage. One sheet, multiple uses. Dependable, versatile, easy to use. Your go-to protection.